everyone. I'm Lori from the Solutions team. I love that in my job, I get to talk to customers every day. And I just had a chat with a retailer and needed to share this with you. This retailer was struggling to keep up their NPS score. They identified this was due to staffing shortages that were causing BOPIS orders to miss their promise date. This is a big deal. BOPIS is a massive growth area for them. This is why at Fabric, we designed our OMS to give business teams the ability to easily manage capacity. This is Fabric Copilot, our easy to use, intuitive UI for operators. It's powerful and gives operators control to make changes in real time without having to rely on developers. In just a few clicks, let's see how a store operator can manage capacity levels at the individual store location. What you're seeing here is a list of all store locations, and you'll notice this shows in real time the BOPIS utilization based on how many orders each store can take in a given day. From here, a user can go into any particular store and update store capacity. You can see here the current capacity for this store is 200 orders a day. However, because a few associates called out sick today, the store needed to make immediate changes to their daily capacity. And quickly saving this, we can now see that the same store capacity limit has changed to reflect this. With this ability to control capacity limits, retailers can eliminate the risk of false promises and will now be able to deliver on a consistent BOPIS experience. Thank you for joining Fabric Feature Friday with Lori Howitt. Meet me here every Friday to see how to connect the consumer journey from pre to post checkout at Fabric. And if you haven't yet, check out fabric.inc to see more on how Fabric OMS can help you streamline omni-channel fulfillment.